para tayong taong grasa for today's video, but that's fine. What's up, madlang people? Ayan, kasama nyo ngayon ang inyong mommy beauty pinahayudayan ng Manzon-Bo. At kung mapapansin nyo, naka-charcoal mask tayo for today. So, exfoliate at of course, to absorb yung ating mga excess oil sa ating mukha. So, makikita nyo para tayong taong grasa for today's video, but that's fine. And nakikita nyo naman, ang aking hair ay naka-shower cap because we're doing a reverse washing for my hair. So, what is reverse washing? Reverse washing is putting on conditioning products, like for example, hair mask. Then afterwards, yung shampoo. For today, I am doing the hair mask plus scalp salt. Yung mga naiiwang residue sa ating scalp. So, from time to time, I do scalp massages or scalp treatment para maalis natin yung mga debris natin sa ating scalp. Makita nyo, nakabalot pa yung ating hair. We will leave this on for 15 to 30 minutes. Then after this, we will wash it off with shampoo. Just our scalp, yung shampoo natin. Kasi by the way, ang salt scrub kasi for the scalp is kinda drying for the hair. So, what I do is, after natin siyang i-wash off ng shampoo, I still use a little bit of conditioner or at least a little bit of hair mask. But yun nga, hair mask is not effective for super wet hair. So, make sure, i-dry off nyo muna or towel dry nyo muna yung konti, yung inyong mga hair, and then you apply the product. So, nagiging routine na natin to, of course, to take care of our hair. Kasi parang mas nakikita ko na mas effective for me ang reverse washing. So, and also today, habang hinihintay natin ang 30 minutes, we will also prepare my bag for my makeup class. So ano-ano nga ba yung mga dadalhin ko for my makeup class? Since today, I will be doing a glam makeup. So, diba? Glam makeup yung gagawin natin. So ano-ano nga ba yung mga dapat nating dalhin? I-prepare natin yan sa aking makeup kit. So samahan niyo po ako. So here is my makeup bag. And yung ating makeup bag, of course, comes in with a, mirror. I'll be bringing my hyaluronic acid, ating moisturizer, hyaluronic acid eye serum from L'Oreal. Makeup base. Yan. Since we purchased the newest, or this is the newest in my collection, we will bring today our Get Ready With Me primer, matte primer. Ito din, bagong purchase din natin to. Yan, kailangan din to. Yung mga color correctors natin. Concealer, we have 2 shades. Dito tayo ng contouring stick from Strokes. Ayan. And from Easy, natin yung contouring cream, contour and powder, blush on, highlighter, and our brow pomade. Ang ating got to be glued for our brows. Blush on. Saka natin i-arrange yan sa ating makeup eyeshadow palette. And of course, hindi natin makakalimutan yung bagong purchase natin na eyeshadow palette from Anastasia. Ayan, translucent powder. And syempre, yung brightening powder natin also translucent powder. For cream blush on from Charlotte Tilbury. Eyeshadow primer. Dadala tayo ng maraming lipstick. So, Pico Milano pink lipstick. Yeah, this is my SD Water lipstick. Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. Red lipstick. Yan. Matte red. Eyeliner. Lip liner. Mascara. Lash glue. Our lip oil. And this one. ST. And our detail cosmetic. Detail cosmetic. Hindi tayo mukhang taong grasa, diba? Okay. Hindi naman sobrang lambot ang buhok ko. In fairness. At pumutok ang ating tigurangan. Feeling mo talaga linis na linis yung face mo kasi naglabasan yung mga chismis sa mukha. Kaya gamit na tayo ng, of course, toner. Hindi ka din. So after nyan,